Good morning, class. Today, we're going to learn about the word abduct. Can anyone take a guess at what abduct means?
Does it mean to bring someone somewhere without them wanting to go?
You're on the right track. Abduct means to take someone away by force or against their will. Let's explore its meaning through two animated conversation examples. Imagine two animated characters, Lily and Max, discussing a mysterious event. Pay attention to how they use the word abduct.
Max, did you hear about the news report last night? They said a UFO was spotted near the woods, and they claim it might have abducted some animals.
Wow, that's strange and creepy. I hope it's not true, but abducted means taken away without permission or by force. It's like being kidnapped.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. I hope it's just a hoax and that the animals are safe.
Excellent observation. In this conversation, when Max says abducted, he means that the animals might have been taken away against their will or by force. Now, let's see if you've got the hang of it. Who can give me an example sentence using the word abduct?
I think I have one. The police acted quickly to find the missing child, fearing that they might have been abducted.
That's a great example sentence. Now, let's move on to another conversation to further understand abduct. This time, we have characters Alex and Mia discussing a strange incident in their neighborhood.
Mia, have you heard about the mysterious disappearance of Mr. Johnson, our neighbor?
Yes, it's really concerning. Some people suspect he might have been abducted by unknown individuals.
Abducted? You mean taken away without his consent or against his will?
Exactly. It's like being forcefully taken or kidnapped.
Well done. In this conversation, when Mia says abducted, she means that Mr. Johnson might have been taken away without his consent or against his will. You're all doing a fantastic job understanding the meaning of abduct through our animated conversations. Remember, practice using the word abduct in different contexts to become even more familiar with its meaning. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you all next time.